When preparing fish, it is always best to use fresh caught when possible. I am preparing 3 rainbow trout that have been gutted, washed, and blotted dry. Here are the following ingredients. In a microwave-safe container, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in 2 tablespoons of finely diced onions, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Using a fork, mix the ingredients into the butter very well. Using bottled or fresh squeezed, pour in 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, mix, and set aside. Next, using virgin olive oil, coat each fish on the outside and inside until they're covered well. Take the seasoning mixture and spoon in equal amounts into the cavity of each fish. Using sea salt, liberally coat the outside of each fish. Prepare a fish grilling rack by opening and laying onion slices in the bottom. Lay the trout on the bed of onions, and then add more onion slices to the top of the trout. Close the basket, and now you're ready to grill. Place the trout on a preheated grill. Grill, turning once for about 3 minutes per side. You may need to use a fork to check for doneness if necessary. Once done, transfer to a platter, and now it's ready to serve.